Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today video is about the acrylic painting, embossed acrylic painting. Okay, so I'm teaching you how you will do a different type of embossed painting. So let's start. The material required: the acrylic sheet paper, and this is the foam sheet what I'm using for the embossing, and the pattern I already cut it. I show you in front of you this, and few acrylic paints I'm using, and the few paint brushes. Okay, flat and some round and flat all. Okay, so like that. So let's start. First of all, what I'm doing is this bird I already did. See everything, the feather and the impact and this glitter work and all I did, but in front of you I will cut it like this. I will show you how you can trace this with the help of the nib of this brush. Just draw the impression here and then you will draw it like this. Okay, no need to draw with the pencil. The impression will come easily like that. Okay, now I will cut this and then I will show you. So friends, I cut this two birds, and the detail work I will do. First I will color this background first, then I will do the rest of the painting. So I am taking the yellow ochre for the background. Okay, put some water and then gently do like this. Little bit of lemon yellow and yellow ochre I am taking for this background. Okay, same do like this, and rest I will show you how it will look. So friends, I did all this, the mixing of lemon yellow and yellow ochre and little bit of white. Okay, like this. Now after this dry, I will do rest of the things. Right now I am doing this bird. Okay, the detailing work and all. Which color I will choose, I will show you. So I am deciding to do this orange color. Okay, so friends, now just keep it aside, and now I'm doing orange color of this bird. Okay, this is the orange acrylic color what I'm using in this painting. Okay, now like this all over the place, and like that. This is the background of the bird. After that I will do the detail work also, this side and corners also. Okay, like this. This I will complete and then I will show you. Now I complete this orange bird. Okay, and now I am taking the another bird which is lighter blue tone. Okay, like that. Mix of little blue and white and pinch of green. Okay, create this color. Alright, it's very easy to do, just simply apply all over. Okay, and rest I will show you. So friends, now these two birds I did, and now I'm creating some dots and some feather effects like that. Okay, and like this dot dot of the feather, creating here this side. Okay, I hope you can see what I'm doing. Here I am creating these type of dots. Okay, like this, and also this side. Okay, it's very easy to do and it's really fun DIY. Alright, I hope you can see easily. And then do here a little bit of this much. Okay, and after that take other color if you want. Here you can create some lines. I'm taking this green. Okay, first I will finish this and then I will show you. So now friends, I did this both birds, okay, some dots and all, just dash, that's it, nothing else. See, like this. Okay, like that. I did all this around. It's very simple to do. And this line, and in the that side, see, with the help of the black color I create this line. Alright, it's very simple to do. And now it's time to decorate the birds. So friends, now I am decorating with the help of this liquid glitter, only that area here, the corners, okay, of this bird. Okay, like this, just the line I am drawing. It's look very nice. When it's dry, it's look something like that I'm creating. See, this is the color what I did. Okay, same I'm creating this bird. After, when I will finish this, I will show you how it will look. So friends, I did this glitter part finish, and after it will dry, I will decorate with more, with this mirrors, small mirrors. I will put it, and the background I made this flower, ribbon flower, I also decorate with this. Okay, first we let it dry, and with the background now I am doing some more work with this background. Okay, so let's start. What I'm doing is I'm just creating some leaves and some stems. Alright, so first of all I'm taking the brown color, okay, and the round brush. Alright, so this is the wherever you like, where the bird will stand and sit. So I'm creating like that, some branches here and there. Okay, like this. Okay, and after that again another coating, and little bit of black I will also do, and then I will create some leaves here, some branches, little bit of simple stroke. See, this is the dabbing technique which I already show you in my previous videos, like bushes and all. I'm creating wherever I like. It's very easy to do. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm doing. I'm just dabbing, nothing else, and it's just creating the bushes. Okay, like that. Okay, just dabbing like this. Alright, and now with this red color I also put some flowers. It's a dot here and there to look more beautiful, and this enhance the painting. Just dabbing and just dotting like this, and okay, everywhere where I want, so also look nice. Alright, like this. So when our bird will dry, then we will more decorate and place it here. Okay, now friends, I place these birds over here. Okay, and rest I also did some background, the leaves and the little bit of flowers. Okay, and now I am placing this here. Okay, with the help of the glue, fevicol glue. Okay, I stick these birds and the mirrors here. Okay, it's look really nice this side, and then I will fix this mirrors here and there wherever I like. Look really very nice and beautiful. Okay, see, just place it like this, and here like that. I fix it with the glue. Okay, then I will show you when it will dry. So friends, this is the finished look of my painting. It's an embossed painting. I hope you like it. Just try it at your home and give me your comments and feedback. Share your family and friends, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.